Hi all. In my last video, I have explained you about two websites where you will find all general physics related animations. In this video, I'll show you some more websites where you will find exclusively ray optics related animations. So I'll show you. So the first website I would like to show you, this is the website address. As I said, no need to note it down. I'll give the link in the comment in the description section. So this is the website. So in this website you can create your own ray diagram, ray optics diagram we can say. For example, if you want to play with the point source or a beam, you can do anything. So literally, or you can play with an optics. So how you can do, I'll show you with some options. So see here, there are three options. So file the tools. So here a ray is available. So if you click on the ray, which means a ray will be produced. So this is the ray. Delete. So if you want a beam, so you can just click on a beam will be produced. So after producing the beam, if you want to insert a glass mirror, or if you want to insert an optical shape, which means a convex lens or concave lens or a simple glass slab, so you can just go to the glasses. So here they are showing. So this type of shapes are available. First, for example, I want to introduce a mirror segment. So I just click on that mirror segment and you just click and drag it. So a mirror segment will be generated. So you can move it. So this is how a rays will be reflected from the mirror surface. You can see here. So if you want to delete this one, so you can just delete here. And if you want to insert a circular arc, which means concave mirror or a convex mirror. So what is this? This is a concave mirror. So see here. So this is a concave mirror. So you can also enlarge the shape. So this is a concave mirror. So you can observe how the light beam is varying with respect to the shape of the concave mirror. As you all know, what is this point? This point is a foci, where all the parallel beams are coincides after reflection. So this is the foci. So how a foci can be varied? So if you turn the mirror, how a foci can be varied, you can analyze here. So see, so this is a concave mirror and this is a convex mirror. So you can see. So what is the convex mirror? So how a convex mirror is looks like. And so for example, you can delete this. And if you want to if you want to insert a circular glass shape object, so what will happen? You can observe. So this is a circular glass shape. Just delete this one. Yeah, delete. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. So sorry. Okay. So this is what how circular glass shape can be inserted. So you can do here undo. If you did any mistake, you can do undo. You can reset everything. You can undo that, reset that also. So yeah, so this is how you can create and how you can observe experimentally how the rays will be reflected from the different surfaces, which means a circular surface, circular and means concave mirror, convex mirror, or if you insert a glass slab, what will happen. So anything you can do here. So here are different options. So you can see this image in different perspective also. So this is an extended rays, which means the reflected rays. So here only some rays are refracted, but this is an extended ray. So if you insert if you click only only images will come. So something like these are the options. So it's a very beautiful website. So here you can play with the light rays, which means for the better understanding of ray optics you can use these simulations. So this is all about the website, and I will show you one more website, the similar website. So this is one more website similar. Yeah, so similar website. Here also the same options are available, but here you can do more fun with this ray optics. I will show you. So yeah, so first let me insert a beam. So you can just click, this is a beam. Yeah, so see here a beam has come. The beam options will come here. So let me floats. Okay, so the beam options will come here. My camera is disturbing. Yeah, so beam options will come. Oh, one moment. Okay, so now in this beam I would like to insert a glass slab. You just click on glass slab, you just drag here and just click here. So this is the glass slab. So what is, see here, and if you want to rotate the objects, you just go to this keyboard option. So see here there are some options. So how to rotate the objects or how to enlarge the objects. So see here, if you press the shift button, then it is easy to rotate the object. For example, if I want to rotate this glass slab, so how to rotate, you just press the shift button, you can just rotate. So this is how it could be, and you can just yeah. So if you want to insert a circular convex lens or concave lens, you can just select this lens. Yeah, so this is what is, this is plano convex lens. Hope you all know what is this plano convex lens. So but one side is plane, so I'll make it complete convex. So this is convex lens. So see here, this is the convex lens. So after transmitting through the convex lens, the light rays are focusing, and so this is how a convex lens acts. How the rays will refract through the convex lens. If you want to see concave lens, you can just select this one. Yeah, so see here are the options. So you can just keep it 100. Yes, but it is not coming. Okay, so this is a convex lens. So you can see, so as you all know, and insert both, what will happen, let us see. This why these animations are more effective, I can say, because these type of things we cannot do with the regular available lenses, because the lenses are delicate. So we should use those lenses with carefully, but here you can play with the lenses. That is the first and most advantage with these simulations. So you can play with the lenses here. Okay, so and you can vary any value, you can vary any value, any shape of lens here. So see here, you can add any shape of lens here, and you can observe how the light rays are varying. So this is all things, and you can also insert a glass slab. So this is a glass slab. So see here, this is the glass slab, and you can also insert a blocker. This is a blocker, so it will completely absorb or it will completely block the light ray. So you can, if you want to rotate, you can rotate it. Yeah, so it is rotating. Or if you want to insert this one here, so see, and if you want to insert this here, let us see what will happen. Okay, so I will show you just now. I will insert one more glass slab. So something like this. So you can play with I want to insert one more one. So you can play with the light rays. So this is how you can get the subject of optics by using an anime or simple simulations part. So this is the second website, and one more website is also available, but this is the one more website. Okay, so this is again a beautiful website, but there is one drawback for this website. This website will work on basis of Flash player, but the Flash player no longer work after 2020 December. So this website may be disabled after 2020 December. So you can just look into the website. So it is also very effective website. So you can add any shape here. So if you want a light beam, so this is the light beam. So in this light beam, if you want to add a spherical mirror, you can add a spherical mirror. So you can rotate the spherical mirror and you can observe what will happen. And if you want to add a plane mirror, you can add a plane mirror. And it is easy to handle here when compared to the before two websites. So it is very easy. So and if you want a parabolic mirror, so this is, you can add here the parabolic mirror. So something like this, you can play with every object. So and if you want to delete this mirror, for example, you can just drag to the delete, up to the delete, so it will be removed. So this is one more website which relates to optics. So these are all the three websites which relates to the optics animations or optics simulations. You can make use of it and you can understand the reflection or the refraction of the light rays at different surfaces. So concave surface or convex surface, anything you can do with the simulation. Okay, so yeah, and you can use the website link. You can get the website links in the comment section. You can make use of it. So thank you.